This is apparently the driest place in the world, or at least it was till a few days ago. A cold wave in Chile has brought snow to the Atacama Desert. Some areas received up to 32 inches of snow, leading to closed roads and stuck vehicles. "36 people were rescued on Tuesday. They were trapped in a bus for 48 hours in the snow. The temperature in Santiago, the capital and the largest city in Chile, plummeted to as low as -8.5 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. The local weather department has predicted the cold wave to continue for at least a few more days.